Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's been a busy morning already. I got up early and it's just been one phone call, one meeting after another. Um, I saw some people making a question in the Zim Writers official group. Um, I posted about how I'm using local buffet differently. Um, I'm going to do a video on that, and I'll kind of show you what I'm already doing. I'll, I'll save it for later. But that's just a quick update. I have some stuff processing right now. It's cooking meal number one, and it's 92% of the way through. Long story short, I've got that. I've got another, and that's for a large client. I have an trying to find a way to do this for. I really been liking doing these outdoor pizza ovens because my brother-in-law. And so I'm going to put together a small sample. That's what I'm doing right now. Every single thing has to be done differently. That's the. It's a really cool tool and a great alternative use for the local SEO buffet. It writes some interesting things, but it's the way you form it, how you put the data in there. I actually use Claude AI, Anthropic's Claude AI, to write some of this content for me that I put into ZimWriter. I will go into that. I'll show you the prompts that I do, how I do that. But I want to get together a nice, smooth process just for this example. You will have to modify that process for yourself a little bit. I've noticed trying to transition from one type of product to another doesn't always transition well. I'm also, for one product to one city, end up generating 3 articles. And that allows me to pull in those different pieces because, again, it's designed for multiple services. So instead of services, I do it basically like features and functions and stuff like that. I'll give you some examples. I'm actually, like I said, I'm generating some right now. When that is done, I'll see if that turns out the way that I like, and I will show a video. I will record a video and show the whole process, and I'll share the results. I'll probably, I don't know if they'll be here on YouTube or in the course site. I may make that as a specialized thing and just throw it in the course site. Anyhow, you guys will hear back from me more in a little bit as soon as I get this done. And if this turns out the way that I like for my brother-in-law here, then I will do a whole video on it just for you all, show you the output that I get. Again, it still takes your own discernment, your own looking at the content that you get, correcting the issues that AI does, checking for truthfulness and facts, and then designing the page the way you like it. So really, it's more, there's a lot of page design to it, but the content that you get to choose from is actually pretty cool and unique. So I will be back in a little bit and show you all of that. Anyways, have a great week.